Hey heroes! Today, we're going to talk about how to change colors of highlighted text in a web page. If you're not familiar with CSS Hero, it's a powerful plugin that helps you customize the appearance of your WordPress website without touching any code. To achieve the customization, we'll use the CSS selection selector. The selection selector is a CSS pseudo-element that targets the text that a user selects on your website. You know that blue highlight that shows up when you select text? That's what we're talking about. Now, let's say you want to customize that blue highlight to match your website's color scheme. In my case, it's a green color. Let's launch the CSS Hero on a blog post. To add the selector, we need to trigger once the CSS Hero by clicking any element on the screen. Then, we need to wipe out this content and type the new selector. Okay, let's type : selection. Then click the Add button here. Okay, now let's move into the CSS Hero panel to customize the element. You can only customize the background color, the text color, the cursor, and the outline. In this example, I'll customize only the background color and the text color. Perfect! Let's save our edits and see the customization we've done. Great! We've customized the text selection on your website. It's a small detail, but it can make a big impact on the overall look and feel of your website. So, if you're looking to take your website customization to the next level, give the CSS selection selector a try in CSS Hero. It's a simple and easy way to make your website stand out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss an update from our channel.